Hey guys, Phil here with a basically a Gundam haul. I just came back from Japan and I thought I'd just make this quick video. I know it's been a while since my last videos, but as you probably know from my previous videos, next door's building. Unfortunately, Australian builders like to take their time, and seems like it's been forever. I think it's been a year and a half, close to 2 years, but unfortunately we've got to live with it, and yeah, hopefully it won't be too long in between videos from now on. So I'll try and keep this video nice and short because they're still working next door. Don't want to have the noise in the background. So okay, let's get on with it. First kit that I got was the Kshatriya repaired version. This one here, nice one. It is a HG. Next one I've got is a full armoured Gundam from the Gundam Thunderbolt series. This is a Verka issue. It is a master grade. Here we got the Province Gundam. This is the premium box art edition, also a master grade. Now be sure to also hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, as I will be doing unboxing videos for each one of these, as well as at the end of the build a review on them. And this one is the Destiny Gundam. It's a master grade. It's the full burst mode. And I did also go to the Gundam base and got, which one is this one? This is the Banshee Norn. This one is the real grade with the LED kit inside. I did see one on display and they don't actually look too bad, so I'm interested to see what this one looks like when it's built. And also managed to find the 30th anniversary of the RX-78-2 Gundam. This one does come with everything in it, except it's supposed to come with a mobile phone, which isn't in the box. I did have a quick look. If anyone does have or know where I can find the mobile phone, please leave a description. I am interested on finding that. Also from the Gundam base, which one is this one? This is the Gundam 00 Divo. It's the Trans Am Clear version. It is a Gundam base limited one, and it's a HG. And also got the Gundam base limited. This one is the the Sinanju Stein narrative version, HG version. And also from the Gundam base, it's a limited Justice Gundam P Bandai master grade. And this one here, Master Grain Shin Musha Gundam. This is one of the kits that I did have in mind to find when I was in Japan. It was not easy to find, so if any of you guys are interested in getting this kit, if you ever find it, I probably recommend, doesn't matter the price you find it, pick it up, because this is getting harder and harder to find. And the last kit that I got is the Red Frame Gundam Astra Perfect Grade. This, as normal with the perfect grades, is a pig box. Yep, be interested to see how big this one actually is. They did not have this one on display, so yep, interesting to see how big it is and the quality of the kit. that's it for this video. Hopefully it wasn't too long or too short. Like I said, I tried to just keep it quick. There'll be more detail on each box on my unboxings. As I mentioned earlier, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and if anyone out there does know where I can find the mobile phone for the 30th anniversary RX 78-2 Gundam, would be much appreciated, and really looking for that mobile phone so I can really have this kit 100% complete. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you next time.